So here I'm logged into admin dashboard of Shopify. Now we'll see how we can add custom section in description of Shopify, like we want to add some images, style list, any type of thing, how we can add in product description. Here you can see this is my product. There is very simple single product as you can see. This is my product. Very simple. When I preview it, here in description there is nothing much more than this. Very simple description. There is only this in description. There is nothing much more. Now, suppose you want to add any images or custom styling things in description. What you can do, suppose we want to add listing. I will add product details, suppose that. And I will select it and I will make it bold. Now I want to add some listing. Like size, it will be 24 centimeter. Weight, it will be 200 grams. I will make it, I don't want it bold. Then click on three dot. Then here bullet points. I can make bullet points. I have created 4 bullet points. Here you can see. Now save it. And now suppose I want to add images below it. For that, scroll down. Sorry. Double click. Then here you can see insert image. Now you can upload images or use images from here. Done. Like images. Now you can here double click on images. Then you can change the size as per your requirement, give the spacing, change the alignment, everything you can manage from here. Okay, now just save it. Let's see how it will look. This is my, here you can see, this is my text, then here it is images. Now here I have made my section full it. Here you can see I'm getting detail, description and images. Now suppose you want to add title or anything, you can easily add it. Just type title, then select it, then change from here formatting H3. Now H3, H1, H4 you can say select as for your requirement. Now if you had basic idea of HTML, you know how to code in HTML, then this is for you. Now show HTML. Now you can write HTML here and style as per your requirement. You can add div container, images, you can add multiple images, anything you can do using HTML, you can style it. So here, how easily you can style the description tab of Shopify product here. I have created very basic. This is very simple. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my